Hey everybody, I got this in the mail. I don't know if you can read it. Holy Moly glass cleaning cloths. And what I like about this, let me tell you, you don't have to use any Windex or window cleaner, stuff like that. You just soak it in water, wring it out, and wipe down your windows. No streaks, no stuff left over, you know, on the window. Here is one that I've been using on the outside. I'm going to finish the inside with it. Boom, done. Can you see my cat down there? See my kitty cat? Hang on. He decided that he'd help me today. He's not really much help. But anyway, and this is what came off of my window. I mean, it picks it up like a magnet. So I am happy to have clean windows. Thank you very much. And this works terrific. Now I'm just going to wash it out and let it air dry and use it again. And they say on here, now I haven't used it this many times, but they say that it's good for 3 years of general use. 100% guarantee it. So if it doesn't work, you get your money back, I guess. Pretty good deal. Anyway, that's my review, and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.